The Surgical Microscope Principal Course. This course's aim is to understand the basic principles for using the surgical microscope in the dental field. This is a 2-day, 12-student training course. Each student will learn to master 3 basic techniques. One is the maxillary technique, the second is the mandibular technique. Finally, the third is the microendoscopic technique again method. Mainly, the surgical microscope principal course is to teach 2 types of mirror techniques. At the end of the 2-day course, each student will be able to have mastered the maxillary technique and the mandibular technique. Also, they will have a clear understanding of the difference in treatment quality and difficulty between the 3 techniques. If you have a chance to come to Japan, please join us. I'm looking forward to seeing you in Japan. See you soon, my friends.